Hi! To add contact photo on your Samsung Galaxy A14, as a first step, we would need to open the phone application and then switch to the tab which is named Contacts. As a next step, choose a contact to which you would like to add a photo. So for example, I'll choose my friend Ellie, and here we need to click on this gray eye icon and then click on this edit button, which is at the lower part of your phone. As a next step, click on current avatar of this person, which looks just like a photo camera, and here we got two options, which is camera, so we can take the photo at the moment, or gallery, so we can add already done photo. So let's choose gallery, and here I'll choose random photo that I got here, for example this earth. Now we would need to choose which part of this photo we would like to set as the person's avatar, and then click done. Then we click save, and now this person has its own contact photo. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.